DirectX Diagnostic or the DX Diag. The Microsoft DirectX Diagnostic tool provides you with information about the DirectX API components and drivers on your system. It enables you to test sound and graphics output and Microsoft Direct Play service providers. You can use the diagnostic tool to gather information about your system to use for diagnostic purposes. If you are experiencing problem when running the Microsoft DirectX applications, the DirectX diagnostic tool can help you find the source of the trouble, such as incorrect version of DirectX components, lack of hardware acceleration, devices that are not connected, and unsigned drivers. DirectX and its diagnostic tool has been around for a long time. The first version was released back in the Windows 95 days. The most recent version, which is included with Windows 10, is DirectX 12. The specific version you are running, however, will depend both on the version of Windows you have installed and the DirectX version supported by your graphics adapter. So, for example, if you're running Windows 10 but using a card that was designed for DirectX 11, you'll be running DirectX 11. No matter which version of Windows and DirectX you have, though the steps we describe here for running a diagnostic should still apply. To get started, click the Start menu and type DX Press Enter to open the DirectX Diagnostic tool. The first time you run the tool, you will be asked whether you want to check to see if your video drivers had been signed by Microsoft. Go ahead and click Yes. The tool will not change the drivers you're using. It will just let you know whether they are signed or not. In general, using signed drivers provides a more stable and reliable environment. After it checks your drivers, the DirectX Diagnostic tool opens to the System tab. This tab lists general information about your system and, most importantly, what version of DirectX you currently have installed. You will also see one or more display tabs, depending on the number of displays you have connected to your computer. The display tab shows information specific to your graphics adapter and monitor. It also shows information about your graphics drivers and which DirectX features are enabled. If you're still using Windows XP or just haven't taken a look at the diagnostic tool since then, the display tab on older versions also let you enable or disable specific DirectX features like DirectX, Direct 3D acceleration, and AGP texture acceleration. It is also let you run tests on some of those features. Most recent version of the tool remove the ability to disable features, leaving that functionality up to the manufacturers of graphics adapter to design into their own driver software. More recent version of the tool also now automatically performs tests and just show you in the notes box if any problems are found. The Sound tab of the diagnostic tool shows you information about the sound hardware, drivers, and output devices in use on your system. The Input tab shows basic information about the input devices like your mouse and keyboard used on your system, along with related devices like the USB controller the devices are connected to. Most useful part of DirectX Diagnostic tool is the ability to save all the information shown on these tabs to a text file that you can then share with others. If you're working with support personnel from Microsoft or application developers, or even browsing help forums on the internet, they may ask for your DirectX information. Uploading the text file or just pasting its contents is much easier than trying to convey all the information on each tab. Just click the Save All Information button to create the text file and save it wherever you like. The DirectX Diagnostic tool offers a quick way to ensure that DirectX is properly installed and running, and to see information about devices and drivers on your system that are related to multimedia and video. The tool also offers an easy way to save and share that information with others.